Alright everybody, welcome back to part 2 of this little series. Today we are doing some fishing. We might be going to a museum as well. And right now we're headed to a pond that looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. It's got a dam in it actually. It's got a couple fountains and then it's got a little creek that runs off into the back. That's the first stop that we're gonna make. See if we can't get a couple fish there. Then there's also the James River. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that, but they've got huge catfish. They've got big stripers and pretty much everything else you would want to catch. And that James River eventually goes into the ocean, the Atlantic. All right, that's on the the Atlantic Ocean. So we're gonna fish that possibly as well, and hopefully these ominous-looking thunderstorm clouds aren't going to kill us today, because that would be unfortunate. So stay tuned. We're gonna wet some lines. We're gonna flip some baits, and hopefully we can get some fish. So stay tuned. Everything's okay. All right, we're ready to go. We have to break out the old sun hats just because, well, the sun came out, and I'm not trying to get burnt, and neither is Brian. So I got full Huck gear on. Huck hat, Huck gloves, Huck shirt.
Mossy Oak, which is literally the same hat, but for some reason it's by a different brand. Literally the same bottom to it, same weave to this, but whatever.
We're gonna go and hit that dam first because I'm thinking that's what's gonna be on fire right now. So let's do it. If that doesn't scream topwater frog, which I have, I don't know what does. I mean, pads. Dude, that looks so good.
And I just lost a crankbait, so.
That looks so good.
Better
I don't
be
even
better
know
than down there.
I don't know where to start. Hey, so I don't know if I've done an update anytime recent, but yeah, we made it to the campground, and now we're gonna do some night fishing. Hopefully we can get something. We've got some cut mullet, and we're gonna bottom rig that as, oh my god, it's windy. As well as cast some spinners and some stuff like that, spoons and stuff like that, for some fish. Hopefully we can't get something. Night fishing is pretty fun, so we're gonna see. It's windy, I don't know if you can tell, but stay tuned. Hopefully we can get on some fish. There goes my hood.
What are you at?
Kind of. Yep, I can just see them. They're all flashing.
Once you start seeing bait, they'll be here.
There's a crab. I'm from Northwest Indiana.
What brings you all the way here?
Fishing.
Fishing?
Yeah.
You should go to Florida, dude.
Honestly, we were actually planning on that too. Like the first thing we planned
Some
on.
of the places down in Florida, like if you.
Did you really?
Yep. And it was photographed on an airplane the same day we saw it, so we had documentation.
Yeah.
You guys got those gotcha plugs on?
No, I got that little spoon you gave me yesterday.
Anybody got a gotcha plug on?
He does.
So they do work, right?
Very well.
Well, if a bluefish comes up, I'll take them.
Yeah, we'll use that next time. And I was so happy with that one. And we got it on video.
Oh, there he
As
goes.
long as you get him where his teeth aren't touching your line, you'll get him.
Right.
But yeah, I don't blame you. Shit, if I threw a minnow out in that lake, it would just get destroyed.
Back that, I'm gonna jig it right here. See what's going on.
Okay, this is a smaller rod. Oh, look, there, a nail on his bait. Oh, damn, I just had one too.
Yeah, good.
Pretty good, how you doing?
Any more? Y'all had any luck today? Mainly
Just a whole bunch of shad. Literally just shad and crab. Where'd that go?
That's it, huh?
Yep.
Well, at least you're catching something.
It's better than nothing, I'll tell you that.
Yep. So this pier is licensed, so you can actually fish on it without a license.
Can you really?
Yep. No kidding. Yep. So you don't need a fishing license. You just have to have a fishing license or a FIP number, which is free, and you can fish on this pier.
Oh, all right. I think this is the one. So I've got, well, you can scroll. I've got different sides of them, like to the right and left.
Okay, yeah, they're good.
Okay.
Cool deal.
That's a good deal. I wish it was like that. Get in here, boy. No way. It's not striper. It's just a hard fighting shad. Actually, no, that's a shad. 'Twas a shad.
Damn, look at them breathing in it. You're like, meow. Whoa, tarpon.
Oh, these guys fight, man. Ah, he pulled off. Did he? No, he didn't.
I don't know. No,
He was running right at me.
Don't worry about it. I'm just getting hooked in that, I swear to God.
He was bleeding all over the daggone place.
You need a little silver. You should put your lure on your last night when you caught that striper.
Yeah, I got that one tied up. You should probably, I mean,
He caught a striper, right?
yeah, he's throwing the exact lure, too.
The twirly tail, nothing's hitting it.
Gotta-
I have a mullet. If you want a swimming mullet, you can stick that on the back. Plastic.
Oh, God, no. Here comes.
You guys nail it, dude.
What do you got going on, man? Let's see, I got this rod out with a live fish. If I put the clicker on, do you think you guys will notice if this thing get hit? You know what?
Oh,
I
yeah.
will, man. Won't even-
God, I just did it again. Why'd I do that? On this $1 spoon from Walmart. Hooks are starting to get bent out finally, but I'm still catching them. You should try to catch one on that ice rod. Switch that handle over to your side. I got you. Got a flounder, like a flounder on a gotcha plug. I'm videoing now. Look at this flounder. He's like, these things are so weird, dude.
I want to touch it. Woo.
Those spikes, touch those.
Nope.
Can you shine this light on him so I can see what I'm doing when I unhook him?
Oh, poor guy.
I almost took his eye out.
That would have been bad because he's already got, you know, only 2 eyes on one side anyway. How the heck did you catch him?
I haven't the slightest clue.